Wondering how to make a grilled cheese sandwich in your toaster? Worry not. The toaster can do this and give you a perfectly browned, cheesy, and crispy sandwich in less time than you can ever imagine. It is fast, convenient, and less messy so your appliance can be cleaned easily after use. Toaster grilled cheese sandwich never goes wrong. With little tips and tricks, you can cook this sumptuous sandwich in no time. In this video, we will show you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich in a toaster. What you'll need: 2 slices of fresh bread, cheese, butter, toaster bags optional. Any other toppings of your choice optional. Here are steps to make a grilled cheese sandwich in a toaster. 1. Spread butter evenly on one side of the bread slices only. This gives your bread that brown and crispy taste you love. 2. Put the preferred amount of your favorite cheese in between the bread slices with the buttered sides on the outside. 3. Pop the sandwich into your toaster bag and slide it into a single slot inside the appliance. 4. Heat it until your bread is perfectly browned golden brown. This takes about 4 to 5 minutes. 5. Remove the toaster bag from your toaster carefully. It is safe to use kitchen tongs to remove the toaster bag so that you won't burn your fingers. 6. Turn the toaster bag sideways to slip your grilled cheese toast on a plate. 7. Add any toppings of your choice if you want to and serve. Do not overstuff your bread. If you do, the bread becomes too thick and will not fit into the slots inside the appliance. As a result, you won't get a perfect toast. It is advisable you use thin slices of bread for your sandwich. Safety precautions. Toasters can cause a fire in the kitchen or electrical shock. To prevent this, here are safety precautions to observe before, during, or after use. 1. Toasters get very hot when in use and so can burn any item kept next to it. Do not place items around it, particularly liquids and flammable. You should give the appliance a little space, so you don't burn your skin. 2. When in use, do not put anything inside the toaster, especially metallic items. It is advisable to turn off the appliance and unplug it if something gets stuck inside. Then shake it out. 3. Toasters should not be left unattended to when in use so that you can act immediately if a fire starts. 4. Your toaster should not be kept next to the sink or wet areas where water can spill on it easily. This can cause electrocution. 5. Always unplug your toaster when it is not in use. 6. Regularly clean your toaster. This will get rid of food remains or breadcrumbs that get stuck inside it and make your appliance work better. Before cleaning, ensure you unplug the appliance. You can find a link to watch our video on how to clean a toaster in the description below. 7. Ensure there are fire protection materials in your kitchen like blankets and fire extinguishers. 8. Check your toaster occasionally for possible fault or damage. If there is, dispose off immediately and get a new one. 10. Toasters have a shorter lifespan unlike other kitchen devices, so they should be regularly replaced to avert a future fire or mishap. If you've found this video helpful, click the subscribe button below. Then turn on your notifications so you'll know once we post a new video. Also drop a comment so we can know your thoughts and check the description below for more details. Don't forget to visit our website zimtoasters.com for more toaster content like this.